Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to start with my presentation. The first question is, what are your plans for the weekend? My plans for the weekends are go outdoor and share with my son and my daughter, practice in a sport like cycling or swimming, do homework and take care of my children. The second question is, what is your job or study routine? My study routine every day is I study a little in the morning and a little in the afternoon. I try to be organized with the time and separate time almost all the days to get a head start on homework. And rest of the time I share with my children and tidy up my house. The third question is, what sports do you practice? I practice running almost every day in the morning. I think that it's a very good sport because it exercises all the parts of the body. And I start the day with enthusiasm and spirit. The last question is, which country would you like to travel to? I would like to travel to Canada because I have known people on the internet from that country and I think that they are so kind and nice people. Also, I would like to know the snow at other places like Niagara Falls. I think that it would be a fantastic experience and to know about the different culture that they are in that country and your architecture too. Thank you very much for your attention.